All right, guys, welcome back. I'm Abraham. Today, I want to talk about some technical analysis. I want to show you guys how easy it is to draw these lines and how helpful they are, along with some other indicators. It will really give you a good perspective to know when and where to get in or out of a play. So, let's get right into it. I don't want to waste your time. I just want to show you how to decide where to put these lines, right? That's probably the biggest problem a lot of people have. Let me pull up a stock that would be easy to do. All right, let's do USD. I was just looking at this stock earlier today. It's down from its all-time high, but it's probably not low enough where I want to buy it. So what I like to do, this stock has just been going crazy. I do these on the weekly chart. It just makes it a lot easier to get most of the lines you need. And so this is Webull. It's very simple. Okay, if you open up Webull, this is what you're gonna see. You type in the stock you want, brings it up. So you click on this pencil, brings this up. You click on this line. You could also click here and draw trend lines. Like if this was earlier, right, and I wanted a trend line, I'd bring this here, click here, right, and I would bring the line up a little bit, and I have that trend line right there, right? The stock is just coming back down to the line, bouncing up, coming back down to the line, bouncing up. That's a trend line. And then you could also draw another one here, but then this would be like here and here. That could almost work, actually. Wow, that's pretty crazy. All right. Well, now it's under it, right? It broke down under it, went back above it, and came back under it again. Anyway, that's trend lines. Let's get rid of that. So for horizontal lines, you click on horizontal lines, as easy as it sounds, and you find points where the stock has been to several times and has had a turnaround, whether that was up or down. So if I draw this line here, near the line, it's never exact, okay? It's a little range of price. So I drew that there because it obviously got rejected right here, and then it was support here, support here, support here, and here it was resistance, right? I will draw another one here, right? Where it's several points already. That's pretty much where we're at now. Here's a good example for why and how helpful these are. So the stock is right here at this line we just drew. So we're gonna see if I wanted to enter this play. Now I'm gonna see if it's gonna bounce back up from this line or if it's gonna break under it and maybe get down to this line, which is $24, which is about $11 less than where it is now. So if I wanted to enter this play, I would not enter right now until I see what happens at this line, right? If it's bouncing back up, then yes, it has a chance to, come up back to this line, which I'm gonna draw. Let's draw another one there. Here it is, right? You could actually draw another one before that right here. So these are obviously now going to be resistance line. As we're gonna come up, we're gonna test these lines. We might come back down after we hit those lines, or if we break through it, then we might go up to the second line, and then next and next and next. So that's the point of these lines, and that's why they're so useful, and that's how you draw them. You just make sure you have different points in the time frame that it touches it. And don't forget, this is the weekly chart, so each candlestick represents 1 week of time. So from here to here, look at the dates. This is March 5th. This is May 14th, right? 2021. Look at this line here. Look at it. From February 2021 all the way till now, we're still messing with this line, right? Some of these lines I can draw that we've never been to for a very long time, but they could still, if the stock comes down low enough, it could still come in use and be useful for us. Just wanted to show you how easy it is to draw these lines and to help yourself decide when or if it is a good time to get in or to get out of a play. Another indicator I use would be this RSI, and another one would be the MACD. These also play huge roles. And the patterns and the candlesticks, if you know how to read them, great. If you don't, you should learn, and you should understand what the RSI and what the MACD are for as well. With all these things together and the lines you've drawn up, it will be tremendously easier for you to decide whether it's a good time to enter or a good time to leave a stock or a crypto, or it's just a time for you to observe, as this stock right here, for example, to see if you want to enter or not, to make your play, make your move. Again, very easy, very simple. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep it short, I'm gonna keep it simple. Just wanted to show you guys how easy it is, and I wanted to tell you guys that you should all know this. If you don't know, look into it, learn, and figure it out. Figure out how to use your app and how to draw up your own lines. This way, instead of waiting for everybody else's information or trusting in other people's information, you have your own information. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope to see you again. Please support the channel, subscribe, and like the video to get it out to the YouTube algorithm, and help me out. I appreciate it. Again, thank you. I'll see you next time.